welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today my sister is going to be making a 2-ingredient cake with just egg, peanut butter, and some sugar.
Okay, so you will need a half cup of peanut butter, and you're just going to pour it into a mug. And then you're going to crack 1 egg. And then you're going to whisk it. Make sure the egg is combined well, otherwise it's going to form an egg, not a cake. So. And then for your choice, you can add some sugar. And mix that well. Okay.
Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it into the microwave for 1 minute.
All right.
So now we're just gonna pop it in the microwave. Okay. So it's out of the microwave, and I'm just gonna top it. And there you go, a nice cake. Now, you wanna try it?
Sure. So let's try it. So it's hot. Take some. That's good. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye.
It's really good.
Yeah. Bye guys. I hope you like it. Subscribe down below and bye.